Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this multi-functional foldable toilet. So this is going to be a 1-month review video. So let's get into it and let me show you how well this works, all the features it has, and my overall feedback. So you can see this is a extra large foldable toilet. This holds up to 660 pounds and it's very easy to set up and is compact that you can actually bring this with you anywhere. So this is a great product to have if you're camping, taking like a long road trips and there's no bathrooms nearby, or if you want to use this as a stool while you're fishing, if you're at the park and you need somewhere to sit, this works great with that. Also comes with this carrying bag, and it comes with some waterproof disposable bags to put inside there when you need to use it as a toilet. So you can see here it's fully extended. It has a handle here to lift up the lid. It even has a locking mechanism if you want to close it to keep it securely closed. And it has a separate toilet seat, and then this is where you put the bag in. On the inside you can see that it has springs, so it opens up very quickly. Here's your separate seat, made as a durable plastic, and has some locks if you want to latch it in place so that way it doesn't open by accident. So when you're ready to close it, just to make sure that this piece is upward, and then you're just going to push it down to lock the lid to here. But make sure this is up. You're gonna pick it up, and then from the bottom here, you're gonna hold it, and then you're gonna pull it out and then turn it. Then you can see you gotta keep on turning it, and it folds very flat. Once you get it very flat, then you can lock it. Now it's very portable. You could put this under your car seat, in the trunk. And it's very convenient. And then when you're ready to use it, you lift it up, you unclip it there, unclip it, you pull it to your height that you want it, and then you turn it. So you can see that it's the perfect height of a standard toilet. So it's very comfortable to use if you need to use it as a toilet or even as a stool to sit on. So you can see that this is very easy to use like a regular toilet. You sit down, and then you just do what you need to do in here. So this holds up to 660 pounds. I weigh about 160 pounds. And this is a comfortable height for me. I'm about 5'10", so my knees are nice and level. And I feel comfortable to do what I need to do here. And it even works well as a stool just to sit on if I'm fishing or watching my kids play sports outside. It's perfectly under the car seat, out of the way. Or even if you want to put it in the trunk. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great multifunctional foldable toilet. I like how well it's made and that it holds up to 660 pounds. I also like how easy it is to open and close. I also like how it comes with the carrying bag that you could bring this with you anywhere that you need it. And I like that it comes with the waterproof bags. So that way, if you need to use it as a toilet, you don't have to worry about it leaking after you finish doing what you need to do.